Hi, my name is Greg, and in this tutorial we're going to be talking about how Michron works. So the first thing we're going to talk about is what happens when you upload your settings from your phone to your Michron. Now, you may have noticed that the programming cable plugs into the headphone jack of your phone. The reason for that is when your phone's sending a data packet to Michron, it's doing so with an audio file. Now, if you unplug the audio packet, or the audio cable, excuse me, and press upload on the app, you'll hear a sound. When the programming cable is plugged into your phone, that sound sends data to your Michron. Now, because this information is sent via an audio file, it's really important that the volume on your phone is to the max so that the data is sent correctly. We've programmed the app so that it automatically increases your volume to the max on most devices. However, for a couple of Android devices, this doesn't seem to work, so you may need to manually increase your volume. If you're having upload issues, or this problem specifically, just see our debugging video and you'll probably get things sorted out there. Next thing we're going to talk about is how Michron controls your camera. So Michron communicates with your camera via the camera cable, and to take a photo, it sends a pulse through that cable to your camera. You can think of this pulse as being almost the exact same thing as you pressing down the shutter button with your finger. Now, you may have noticed in the past that if you press this shutter button too quickly, sometimes your camera doesn't take a photo. This is especially likely to be true if you're shooting in autofocus or any of the automatic settings such as landscape or portrait. Now, this can be problematic because if you're taking a time lapse, you want every photo to be taken so that you have smooth, precise footage. So to make sure that your camera is taking every photo that Michron tells it to, we encourage you to put your camera in manual focus. This should solve most of your issues. If you're still not getting every single photo, please see the debugging video and you should be able to get sorted out there. Another thing to keep in mind is that if you're shooting in extremely high resolution, such as in RAW, it takes your camera a moment to save the photo. And if the camera is still trying to save the photo when you tell it to take the next photo, it won't take that next photo. So you'll miss shots that way. Generally speaking, the more expensive the camera you have, the faster it can save those photos and the faster an interval you can do. And the higher the resolution of the photo that you're taking, the slower your camera is going to move. So just keep those things in mind when you're setting up your time lapse. Alright, so that's everything for this video. If you're curious to see some more information, please see below. And again, if you have any issues, please contact us on our support site. We'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching this video.